What's up guys, today we have Samsung A10 no service. The customer bring the device and told us emergency calls only. He told us after the device dropped to the ground that happens. Let's open the device and see whatever is causing this problem. First we need to remove the SIM card tray. Then we can detach the frame from the housing using any plastic tools, or you can use your fingernails. Keep detaching all over the edges, and that's it. We don't have fingerprint flex cable at the back of this device. It's a A10 and not A10s. So you can remove the back without making any damages. Now we need to remove the first 3 screws to remove the shield because we are going to unplug the battery. No need to remove all the shields, the top one. We just need to unplug the battery, alright? Continue down to remove the loudspeaker. You can remove all the screws. Now we are going to unplug the subboard flex cable. Then we have 2 antenna wires. You can also remove the antenna. After that we can remove the subboard. If it's the first time you remove the subboard, it will stuck because there is adhesive under it. Alright, now it's in position. Flex cable in, antenna in. After that we will put the loudspeaker because there is connection to these antennas, and then we will turn on the phone and then test. This may fix the problem and may not. We don't know what causing the problem, but we still testing. Sometimes it could be the wires, sometimes it could be the subboard, sometimes could be the IC, sometimes could be some filter components, etc. Plug the battery in. After that we can turn on the device. The device is on. Now I'm going to put the SIM card tray in and then see if this will solve the problem or not. Alright, power it on. Alright, still loading. Alright, we have a service now. So our problem has been solved. The problem was with the subboard, and that's it. Our problem for today has been solved. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.